Look at that. Wow, they're right over at our house. Wow, those are big. Look at those, Kitty. Do you see them? Don't be afraid. So pretty. So pretty. I wonder who's doing that. They're so pretty. I hope our house doesn't burn down, but they're so pretty. Those are very big. Maybe they'll come again. Do you think so? Yeah, they're in the really far away distance. These that I was talking about were right over our house. I hear those, but they're too far away. That one might be big. That's just a little snippety snappy. Those are no fun. Why don't they make pretty things? I see them down there, but they're so far away. Like if you go...
Can I see the video?
Hold on, I'll show you. See, you can see them in the distance through my phone. The ones that were just a minute ago, though, they were right over us. In fact,